go-to channel for healthy and beauty tips to help you look and feel your best. We share expert skincare advice, natural remedies, hair care secrets, and wellness tips to enhance your beauty from the inside out. Glow naturally, stay healthy, feel beautiful. Subscribe now and start your journey to a healthier, more radiant you. Viral AI video script for glowing skin in 7 days. Hook. First 5 seconds. Attention grabber. Struggling with dull and lifeless skin? Try this 7-day secret formula for a glass-like glow. Main content, value, quick tips. Day 1. Apply aloe vera and honey mask. Instant hydration. Day 2. Massage your face with green tea ice cubes. Reduces puffiness. Day 3. Use a rose water and glycerin toner, natural radiance booster. Day 4. Eat vitamin C-rich foods. Oranges and papaya for brighter skin. Day 5. Try 10-minute facial yoga. Lifts and tightens skin. Day 6. Hydrate with 2-3 liters of water. Flushes out toxins. Day 7. Apply a turmeric and yogurt mask. Gives an instant glow. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips. Stay glowing, stay healthy, and remember, true beauty starts from within. See you in the next video.